Hello guys, I welcome you all once again to Excel Can. I don't have good knowledge of English, so please bear with me and I'll try to express myself as much as I can. But if some mistake, please do forgive me and try to bear my bad English. So we'll start the video without delay. So today this is the fourth chapter and today we'll talk about alignment. We'll see what is the importance of alignment in a data or in an Excel. So we have already seen about clipboard, basics of Excel, font, and today the fourth one we are looking for alignment. So we have one data in front of you. You can see this is the highlighted one. Now I'll just jumble it and we'll see it again how it goes. So in alignment we have this three thing which is called top align, middle align and bottom align. So you can see, as I'll just make it little large, I guess that will help you to understand little more. Yeah, so this is the name what we have. So name is top align as if now, but if we want to keep it in center, then just we have to make it middle align, and if we want it further down, it should be at bottom aligned. So just for experiment purpose, I'll make all these little broad, and I think now it will be little bit more visible to you all. This two, Sundar and Sam, you can see this looks italic. So now I'll remove that function, so all has come straight. So name, you can see name is in center align now, which is called middle align per term. And again we have three more alignments. So three more alignment means left align, middle align and right align. How it works, this we'll see here. So we have kept it middle align as per if it is going vertical. Vertical means up, middle, bottom or down. Now we'll make it left, middle, right. So this function will help us to do it in that way. So name, everything if we want, it will come at center, and if we'll go for the third one, it will come at last where everything will be right aligned. But preferably for all the characters, all the English words, name or anything, it should be left aligned as far as I have seen. And all the data means anything numeric, that should be right aligned. So right align means we need to click on this, so it has come to right. Now if we want something, this is orientation, so if we want something with some angle, so that also we can create. So this is for some specific purposes only, where we need to show some incline, decline. In those cases this is very much useful, and this makes our data very attractive. So you can see if we want everything to go, everything will go in this way. So this is one thing, but usually it is not much in fashion. So next you can see these two more alignments are there, which is called direct settlement. Direct settlement means if we want to move some of our data in between. In between means, for example, this three will make everything very extreme. So it should be either at left, either at right, or in between. But we want, and if we'll go for the middle one will not have everything identical, because it depends on name. So it works as per the cell. So one cell, Ram, there is 3 letters, so it will be in between somewhere, so the equal distance from both the sides. Now it is Sham, which is 5 character, and it will be equally distributed. So again, if we'll see here, it won't look so identical. So now we'll make it at the extreme left, and if we want to move something little right, we can go. So by this you can see your sheet will look little smart, but generally it is not much used. But somewhere if it is used, you will get to know and you can use it as per your requirement. Now one more very important characteristic what we have is wrap text. So what wrap text does, so for example, I have here some thing to write. So you just take one example here itself. This is English what we have written. Now if I want to write little more, so I want to write English subject marks. Oh magic, where everything has gone. So just to see like where everything has gone and how everything will get displayed, we have to use the property of wrap text. So if we'll do the wrap text, everything will be visible in the same cell, which is always required because in office environment everything will not be identical. The things will always challenge you and you have to overcome with your smart ideas. So I hope you would have understood it. So now we'll undo it for a while. So now again we have come to English and we'll remove this to data. Now one more interesting fact we have is merge and center. Again you can see merge and center, merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells. So like marks obtained, this marks obtained English, Hindi, mathematics, these three we have, right? So how it looks at all the three. For example, we'll go for print preview, then you'll get to know little more. So now you can see like marks obtained, so it is addressing all the three subjects. So this looks good, but how it has come? So first what I'll do, I'll demerge it, unmerge everything. So now you can see everything has unmerged. We'll delete it and we'll again put marks obtained. But this is not so identical. If we'll go in print preview, it won't be so identical. So for this, what we need to do is like for this three cells, we'll merge it. So once we have merged, this has come in center. So now it looks like this is representing all the three subjects. And one more thing, like this total is for the whole. So now what we'll do, this two cells, this two we can merge. This remark is for the whole, so we'll merge. And again this name, it is in center, so we want everything to be in center. So we'll select our whole worksheet and we'll click on this. So once we'll click, it will go either at the top function or at the bottom function, but we want everything in center, so we'll click on center. Now everything has come at its own place. So now we'll see the print preview. Probably you'll see this worksheet looks little more smarter. So guys, I hope this video would have helped you. Please try to follow us. We'll go one by one to each and every function, and once if you'll complete your journey with us, definitely we are very confident you will have a better or best knowledge of Excel. So guys, stay tuned with us. Do like our video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.